Hey Shifa, what are you doing on your phone?
Oh hi, I'm ordering Brand Boss subscription plan.
What? What do you mean by brand boss?
Brand Boss, you can see it as your 365 days social media calendar, where you will be getting festival posters, business related images, videos, and with your company logo, website, and contact number.
Nice. So it will be very expensive, right?
No, my friend, you cannot imagine. It's just for rupees 4,099 rupees. For the whole year, you will be getting festival posters, business related creatives, digital visiting card, and social media stories, reels every day.
Should we need to create like Canva? Means we need to design ourselves or how it is?
No, not at all. This all creatives will get on our WhatsApp as per day. Even we don't need to do anything. We just have to share our logo after purchasing plan. And Brand Boss automatically will schedule creatives as per the day, and it will be shared on our registered number.
Cool. So now no need to worry about everyday social media content. Really impressed about this brand boss. Myself too like to order for my business as well.
Not just cool, it's superb. Visit www.brandboss.shop and get your Brand Boss subscription plan for your business too.